This is Ann from GeoVision. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up license plate recognition step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to set up license plate recognition with ease. What we'll need here is the LPR plugin software, the LPR license dongle, BMS, and S Manager software. First, we need to insert the license dongle and make sure it is working properly. Next, go to the GeoVision homepage, download, and search for the LPR plugin software. Here, I have the LPR plugin software downloaded, S Manager and VMS installed on my system. So what I'm going to do here is to install the LPR software. So here you click the accept the terms and license agreement and click next. After the LPR plugin installation, go to the BMS home toolbar, and under the tools tab there's a license plate recognition tab appeared. So you are going to enable the LPR service and all the service underneath to be able to connect to the LPR. So now we go to the AS Manager, go to the setup, devices. You can either search with the auto search engine, or you can edit manually by hand. So here we are going to just use the auto search engine and edit the IP. Here the user is your VMS account and the VMS login password. So you can select LAN 1 to LAN 16, but what's the most important here is to check the box here, the monitor, and you can select the camera for the recognition purpose. So now I'm going to use the camera 25 as my recognition camera, and you can select a region to focus on the recognition function. Here you can choose the drive direction, incoming or outgoing for later purpose, for later query use, and recognition you can choose either the input-output detection or motion detection. So I'm going to choose the motion detection here now. And everything is all good, then we just click OK. You can see a tick here next to the LPR showing that the S Manager is connected to the LPR plugin successfully. And you can sync to LPR, sync the settings to the LPR just to be safe. So here I'm going to use the number plates that I print out from on the paper to check if it can be recognized. So you can go to the monitoring, new LPR monitor, and you can choose tiles or thumbnails for different views. So let's check if the number plate on the paper can be recognized by LPR plugin. As you can see, the number plates can be recognized successfully by the LPR software. Hope you can set up the license plate recognition successfully after this demonstration video. Thank you.